Find or read reviews that people are talking of Spedal MINIEYE-C2L Dashcam front and rear with built-in GPS, 170 degrees wide angle, WDR, 4G Wi-Fi, app OTA update, 64 GB card include. Why you choose Spedal MINIEYE-C2L Dashcam. Below are some reasons why you should choose Dashcam with ADAS. Here comes the innovative intelligent Dashcam with ADAS MINIEYE-C2L. Compared with traditional dashcams, it is not only used to record driving vision to preserve the evidence after an accident scene but to warn you in advance of potential traffic safety risks through real-time voice alerts, which can improve safety and reduce road accident costs. AI collision avoidance technology. The Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, detects your surroundings and has voice alerts in advance to warn you of safety problems, including 4 ADAS alerts: forward collision warning, urban forward collision warning, headway monitoring warning. Forward vehicle start alert. Note: ADAS function only support recording resolution under 4K. Ultra HD dual cameras. This smart dashcam equipped with an Ultra 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. 170 degrees wide angle captures all-around details without blind spot. The front car camera equipped with an f1.5 large aperture and 6 glass lens captures important details clearly under low light conditions. Plus the professional WDR technology automatically adjusts the camera exposure and ensures the clarity of images even at night. GPS and route tracking. Equipped with built-in GPS, smart ADAS dashcam monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed, and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. 4G Wi-Fi and mobile app. MINIEYE app supports both iOS and Android systems, Android 5.0/iOS 10 and above, allowing you to view, download and share HD video to social media with friends and family, and OTA updates through Wi-Fi in real time. Also, control MINIEYE on your phone, such as changing video resolution, volume, and anti-collision functions settings. Mode. Combined with the parking monitor function, this car security dashcam will keep monitoring while your car is parked, and you'll receive a notification to check the event footage in the MINIEYE app in the event of an accident. Kind reminder: MINIEYE hardwire kit is required and it's sold separately. Design best experience. Mini device perfectly sits by or behind your rearview mirror with minimized distraction. Optimized hidden power cable routing provides you with the neatest cable management. High-end appearance design and robust build with built-in supercapacitor to survive extreme weather. 18 months extended warranty. Email our customer service support and we will answer any of your questions and resolve any ongoing issues as quickly as possible. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important: don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.